Amazing inventions that changed the world. Throughout history, many inventions have changed the way people live, work, and communicate. Some of these inventions were small ideas that became very important in daily life. The invention of the wheel, for example, allowed humans to move things easily and travel long distances. Later, tools like the printing press helped share knowledge and made books available to everyone. These early inventions built the foundation for human progress. Without them, our modern world would not be possible. One of the greatest inventions that changed the world was electricity. When scientists discovered how to use and control electricity, life became easier and faster. It gave power to homes, factories, and later, electronic devices like computers and phones. The light bulb, invented by Thomas Edison, allowed people to work and study at night. Electric energy also made transportation and communication much better. This single discovery created a new era of technology and comfort for everyone. The invention of the internet is another amazing creation that completely changed modern life. The internet connects people around the world in just seconds. It helps us share information, study, work, and even shop online. Before the internet, people had to wait days or weeks to send letters or receive news. Now, everything happens instantly, and communication has no limits. The internet truly made the world smaller and more connected than ever before. Today, new inventions continue to change the world every day. Smartphones, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy are shaping the future of humanity. These inventions make life easier, faster, and sometimes safer. However, they also remind us that technology must be used responsibly. Every great invention starts with one creative idea that can make a big difference. The story of amazing inventions shows how human imagination can transform the world forever. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more. See you soon.